Hi there, this is Jeff from Solar Choice. Today we're doing a review of EVNEX's E2 charger. We're going to talk about the features, we're going to talk about the warranty, we're going to look at everything you need to know about this charger, and we're also going to look at the pros and cons, because here at Solar Choice we're not doing a promotional video for this charger. We haven't been paid anything by any EV charger companies. We're just providing an independent review. So let's start with giving you a bit of an idea of who EVNEX is. EVNEX is a company that was founded by Ed Harvey in New Zealand. They still have their main manufacturing facility in Christchurch, which means they're pretty much one of the only companies that manufactures these devices in Southeast Asia. Ed is originally an engineer, and if you want to hear a little bit more about him, then check out our podcast where we went deep with him on the early days of the company, some of the things that he sees as important to EVNEX today and going forward into the future. So let's talk to some of the features of this EVNEX E2 charger. The one we've got here is a single phase option which will charge up to 7.4 kilowatts. However, there is a 3-phase 22 kilowatt version as well. This one comes with a tethered cable, as you can see behind me here, and it comes in 4 different colors. So this black option isn't the only one. So one of the first things to call out here is the sleek design of this charger. So it is one of the most slimline designs that you'll find for an EV charger in Australia. So if you're looking for something that doesn't protrude too far from the wall, then this is a great option. The design also uses bioplastics, so they've tried to be sustainable and responsible in their manufacturing decisions. One big thing to call out with this EVNEX charger is something that we haven't seen any other chargers do yet, which is integrate a 4G SIM. So the 4G SIM is an alternate way of connecting to the internet other than Wi-Fi. Most EV chargers rely on Wi-Fi, and many people have issues with the garage being too far from the house, or the Wi-Fi signal doesn't make it through the rebar in the garage construction. So in this case, we're about 15 or 20 meters away from the Wi-Fi router. So this EVNEX charger is running entirely off a 4G SIM. That not only makes life easy for the customer who doesn't have to worry about Wi-Fi repeaters and running long cables, it also makes life easy for the installer who can pretty much commission it all without having to bother the client too much. The next thing to talk about is the solar connectivity of this charger. So there's different ways in which you can integrate an EV charger with solar. So check out some of our articles that talk about the pros and cons of some of those methods. The EVNEX charger uses the best way, which is connecting an additional piece of hardware onto the incoming mains. A current transformer or CT will monitor how much energy is either coming in from the grid or being exported back out into the grid. And it's that solar energy exported that will actually trigger the EV charger to turn on, and you will have an option then to charge the car entirely off solar power. The advantage of using that piece of hardware means that this EV charger can be connected with any solar system, no matter which inverter you have installed. One thing to note is that it does require a minimum of 1.5 kilowatts in order to activate the solar only mode. So that for some people won't be an issue through the middle of the day, but in those early morning hours, you won't necessarily see the car kicking in until there's a fair bit of surplus energy.
So let's take a look at some of the functionality in the EVNEX app. There's a number of different sections which show you the history of your charge, give you an opportunity to activate it. But let's have a look at the charging schedule, as most users will use this to set up the time that the EV charges to line up with when they get the cheapest power. So I've got that set up to 11 AM to 2 PM, which is when I get free energy from OVO. And there is actually another opportunity to charge with OVO cheaply overnight from 12 PM to 8 AM. However, there's no capability within this app to set up a secondary charging time. So that is one limitation to be aware of. Now for solar system users, there is a solar diversion section where you can activate your charger depending on how much surplus energy there is available. So the default settings here from EVNEX mean that the charger will turn on when there is 1.5 kilowatts of surplus power, and it will turn off then when the charger is using 0.5 kilowatts from the grid. Now you can play around with these settings and reduce that import to 0.2 kilowatts, which means you can minimize the amount of power that the charger uses from the grid, and you can also slightly reduce the surplus power required to 1.3 kilowatts. Now there is still a buffer there that means that the charger won't be constantly turning off and on, and this is pretty normal for EVs to have that minimum requirement. Now finally, let's take a look at the electricity pricing section. Now users in here will be putting in the tariffs that they're on with their electricity provider, and that'll enable EVNEX to calculate the total charging costs and to optimize between the tariff times. This allows a day and a night tariff. So for those of you with 2 time of use, you can line up the start times to align to your local network.
So let's dive into some of the pros and cons of this inverter. So on the pro side, you've got the local company with the local manufacturing facility. That is a big buying decision factor for us here in Australia. Not only are we supporting someone that's from Australasia, there is also the fact that they've got people in Australia ready to help you if there's any technical support, sales service, help with installers. They've got a good model to help you through the life of ownership of this system, not just shipping you something from an overseas warehouse and leaving you to deal with all the problems that may arise. Pro to call out is that solar integration. So it is a pro because not all EV chargers integrate with solar in this way, and especially some of those very basic chargers will have a lot more troubles than this EVNEX in terms of connecting up with solar. And at the end of the day, running your EV charger off solar is one of the best ways for you to keep the cost down of charging your EV. So one thing to note is that the single phase charger does come with this tethered cable, but that's the only option. Some of the other chargers on the market will have a socket instead, and that way you can bring your own cable. So in some cases, people want to connect a 15-meter cable because their charger's at the top of the driveway and their car's all the way at the other end. Or some people like the flexibility of being able to unclip the charger and take it with them for a charge on the road. So just bear that in mind. This works for 90% of people, but if that's the flexibility you want, then you may need to look elsewhere. The other thing to call out is that we weren't able to set up in the app configuration the tariff structure that I'm on here in regional New South Wales. So we have a shoulder period which wasn't able to be input into the app, so all of the savings that are calculated for me within the app are a little bit out because it's not capturing that shoulder period. Now it's something EVNEX may well need to improve in further iterations of the app and may well be available to customers in the future. Another pro to talk about is the warranty period on this EVNEX device. It's 3 years. For EV chargers in the Australian market, we're seeing basically the warranties extending maybe as low as 1 year all the way through to 5 years. So that's all we've got time for today with this EVNEX charger. I hope that helped. We do have a more complete written version on our website where you can take a look at our in-depth overview along with reviews from real customers. And as always, you can come to Solar Choice to compare quotes for EVNEX EV chargers or any other EV chargers on the market. Thanks for your time.